This is the Archaeopteryx electric self-launching glider. The Archaeopteryx is a versatile high-end hang glider in glider configuration with exceptional climbing ability. It is designed for foot start of mountain slopes as well as for a variety of other type of takeoff such as rubber lift off the mountain or car winch, aircraft, and UL towing start of airfield, and with the unique fast adaptive electric drive. It is also capable of self-launching. The new carbon glider is characterized by its minimal weight, the large airspeed range with very slow minimum speed, the well-coordinated controllability, as well as its adaptability through the flight. The motor appears to be a NAN-GM unit, sold as the Rotax Electric Rex 30, a 15 to 18 kilowatt 20.1 to 24.1 horsepower unit, which can swing a 1.3 meter propeller at a leisurely 1,800 to 2,200 revolutions per minute depending on windings. The twin 14 cells in series, 40 AMP-hour battery packs, motor controller, battery management system, and 30 amp battery charger complete the tower pack, which can be installed or removed in about 5 minutes.